In this video, I'm going to teach you how to open a Glovo account in Spain. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Opening your very own Glovo account is simple. You have two main ways of doing this. First, you can do it through the website. So if you go over to glovoapp.com, you can tap on this option here at the top right corner of the screen and then create your account. If you are located in Spain, you will select Spain here for the phone number and then input it accordingly. Or you can choose to sign in with Google, Facebook, or an email address. Alternatively, you can also go over to the Play Store or the App Store and look for the Glovo food and grocery delivery app. Tap Open, and once again, you will see the same screen that you saw on the website as I've displayed earlier. So you choose your country code here, look for Spain, and then input your mobile number. And all of the other sign-up options are also going to be available: Google, Facebook, or email. Once your account has been created, you can set up your profile, change a bunch of personal information, register new payment methods, and of course, set up your address. Then look for locations near you that can make deliveries through the Glovo app. It is simple to do. You can visit the website. And of course, if you want to work for Glovo, you can tap on this option here at the bottom and visit jobs.glovoapp.com. Once again, you will also see the sign up option here when you open the menu. And you can go through the exact same process. So you fill out your personal information, create your account to drive with Glovo, and you will be able to manage your account here or through the app. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you create your Glovo account in Spain, please consider subscribing. As you can see, according to our channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. So I highly count on your support. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.